Alright, this is the fire stove modification update. I got the new Rutland fire bricks that are rated to 2700 Fahrenheit, so they're not crumbly at all. They're real heavy and sturdy. So this will be the bottom of the fire stove for the two-dog camp stove that is 18 inches long. So these bricks are 9 inches. So I have two lengthwise, and then I cut the stainless steel half-inch pipe for the secondary air intake, and this will go to the back of the stove. This is about 7 inches high, 7.5 or so. So the stove baffle is, the stove height is 11 inches, and these are 9 inches on top of the inch, so this is about 10 inches. And so then the stove baffle will be about right here, and then the ceramic fiberboard will stay on top of that baffle. And then I will have ceramic fiberboard on the side walls, and then a second ceramic fiberboard that'll go all the way to the back of the stove, flush with these bricks. And then it'll come out as a afterburn chamber for the secondary air to be superheated from the smoke getting sucked under the baffle into the space behind the baffle, which is where these bricks will go. So hopefully I can fit these bricks in behind the baffle. And then I got the coupler here, and then I cut this with a pipe cutter, 2-inch or number 2 pipe cutter that I got for $17. That was a good steal price. And this is just aluminum to keep the fire, the ash and the logs off the secondary air intake. So this will line up with the front door of the primary air will come in, and then the front of the pipe is right here. So you can see since this is stainless steel, it'll handle whatever temperature the stove will get. And then the side walls, I can use the other crumbly pumice bricks on the lower level in the front, and then that will increase the temperature of the fire here where the primary air is coming in, that cools it. So the pumice bricks will heat it up more because it just radiates the heat, and then I'll put some more ceramic fiberboard on the top above those. And the ceramic fiberboard just radiates the heat because it's an insulator up to 2700, whereas the fire brick absorbs the heat up to 2700 Fahrenheit. So the ceramic fiberboard will also be on the sides and the back, and I can put it on the lower, below the baffle. And so this is just a real simple setup here that should dramatically change the performance of the two-dog stove. And then I will have to cut all the ceramic fiberboard once I get up to the wood stove. But right now it's actually too cold, and the main concern is the car battery, having it sit out all night. Otherwise I'd have to go and drive the car around for 20 minutes every 6 hours or something with this kind of severe Arctic deep freeze. So I gotta wait for that to clear up, and then I can test out this new design, and I'll get some temperature readings on the wood stove and see if it's burning hotter, and then on top I'll have a fan and the heat exchangers, and I got the stainless steel chain to wrap around the stovepipe, and that'll act as a heat exchanger. And then I got the aluminum heat exchanger strips that to go around the stovepipe, the duct pipe,